There is an India that is going to be so different in the next 25 years that it will be about 10 times more different perhaps than the previous 50 years. And I think we are at the cusp of that India with the revolution created in the area of technology, in the area of education, which has provided millions of talented individuals, and of course in the area of growth, which is being propelled, especially by governments like the one we have now. Coimbatore is very unique in that it is well positioned to take advantage of that India. The India that will grow is not the India that we will know. And in many ways, Coimbatore, with its phenomenal culture, lovely geography, long tradition of industrialization, a multi-ethnic, diverse population that has been here for a long time and not as sudden visitors as in some other places, may actually be the ideal city with its liberal thinking to become the iconic innovation center of South India. In that situation, I think an organization like SIBI, promoted by the Shakti Group through KCT and through an entrepreneur called Vish, is a very exciting opportunity. I saw SIBI as being different, forge, if you will call it, because it is forging entrepreneurs, but it's being forged by an entrepreneur like Vish. That, I think, is what makes it very, very different. No doubt it takes full advantage of KCT's vast ecosystem of education and Coimbatore's ecosystem of industry. But the fact that entrepreneurs will come out of here in a very focused set of areas who are each driven by their dreams and fueled by their capability, but forged into shape with business skills, funding, and discipline, which is so important in this stage, by SIBI, I think can really realize the full potential, not just of India's entrepreneurial journey and dream, but also of Coimbatore and of the vision set for this group by their late chairman, Sri N. Mahalingam, who was an exemplar of being both an industrialist, a humanist, and a patriot.